Terraria.
What is that?
I don't know. Oh, it's a drawer liner.
A drawer liner? Oh, okay. So, this right here is an office. This is where I edit my videos.
That's my bookcase over there. Dude, I'd like that bookcase.
I was like, I picked it up and I actually was like looking through it because I was here the other day. I picked it up and was looking through it. They're real books.
Oh, really?
Yeah. This is a kitchen design.
Like a spot of tea.
Yeah. Here's the thing. I noticed like in like southern kitchens, like living in the south, they had I guess it depends on where you're at. Where we were at, you didn't like what you cooked?
No.
That would make sense.
I wonder if I can get the Delilah.
Alien invasion in Pittsburgh. See, look, open up.
Oh my
the
gosh,
book.
seriously?
Yeah.
Can you buy it? Oh, property of IKEA.
See, there.
Wait, what? Why are we learning about monkeys and stuff?
Oh, I get it. They might get real books and then put a fake cover on it.
Oh, that makes sense.
That makes a whole lot of sense now.
I was like, wait a second, this doesn't make sense. I like these kind of organizers, but I feel like they need.
It's like kind of makes you feel like it's 70s-ish.
Yeah, the wall does make you feel 70s.
But look, you have a background of a backyard.
Yeah, that's our backyard.
Isn't really a backyard.
It's a little backyard. It's still a backyard.
We have a backyard. Not really.
Backyardigans.
The backyard is like front yard. That's our pet ox. Our pet oxy. Yeah, I thought they were real books. Oh, look.
What?
Look behind you. World map. Where somewhere.
Right around here. Yeah.
No, here's New York.
Yeah, so we gotta be like around here somewhere. Cause that's Chicago's. So we're around here. Why is New York taking up half the space? But yeah, we're around here.
New York is taking over everything. Sorry. You have tons of couches to choose from.
Yeah, I was actually looking at these. We need a new couch, I feel, but A, we can't afford it, B, we have to have it.
Yeah, you and Brad have the
because shoots claws at the freaking side of it.
That's what Abby does. I swear, someday I'm gonna sell that cat. Oh, that looks cool right there.
What?
I want to wait till everyone's out though. That design. No, it's the front door.
Oh, it's the front door.
Look, you can tell.
Oh, yeah. See, we need an ottoman like this where I can store all my blankets. I can't fit anything in my car, never mind. I was actually considering buying something like that.
Really?
Yeah.
It's a sunny day. Wait, we're still in Pittsburgh?
But it's not that bad outside right now.
No, it's not. But it doesn't look like that either.
I don't know. I don't feel like any of these couches look comfortable. Like, not being mean, but...
Well, I think they're display couches.
No, these are couches in person, though. This doesn't look comfortable.
Test it out.
Yeah, it doesn't feel comfortable. No offense.
It doesn't feel comfortable to you?
No, you try it out. What do you feel?
It's alright.
That's what I'm saying. Like, it doesn't feel like, oh my gosh, this is the comfiest couch ever.
It's not terrible.
Oh, you shocked me.
Shocking.
The camera shocked me.
And then you have chairs over here. Chairs and chairs.
This
And
would be
chairs.
good for a small space. Like, if you were, something like you can have something like that. You know?
Yeah. Oh, over here they have this. You choose a frame, and you choose it. So you can make your own. Look! Little aliens in the cubby holes. They extended it out a little bit.
But yeah, well, maybe we'll come up here when you need to furnish your apartment.
Yeah. Yeah, go to IKEA for your apartment needs. Maybe. I don't think we ever really actually promoted IKEA. I think we just did videos in here. Sorry. Sorry about that.
Are you playing hide and seek?
Yeah.
For a fast exit.
That was where we were just at. No, these are designed for your rooms. There's someone in there right now. I don't want to bother them.
Ooh, daybed.
Is that a daybed?
Yes, daybed.
Are you sure?
Yes.
This is for writing and all that. I remember we used to have kind of like a little section. We had our computer in the dining room before it became a living room.
Mm-hmm.
And it was sitting right there where the TV was.
Yeah.
And I remember I used to like cover it up.
This is where I do my paintings if I can actually paint.
That's a nice painting.
I still like that room. That's like the
I know.
game room.
Well, that's what it's designed, I think.
Yeah.
The Starry game room. I don't know. I'm not really a fan of white.
You're not a fan of white?
Yeah, like it's not. This is like the view we got from our hotel in New York.
We never filmed in New York, did we?
What?
We never filmed in New York.
No, that was before we were YouTubers.
miserable walking in the rain. And then my knee.
Who's to blame for that?
Oh, excuse me?
Yeah. Who's to blame for that?
You're the one who walked too. No.
Hello, how are you?
Good.
You're you're on the NC Explorer.
NC Explorer.
Yeah, check it out. The NC Explorers.
NC Explorers, where? Just on YouTube, you said?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright, that's cool. That's cool. Yeah, this you guys are around here now.
Oh yeah, we are. Well, we live in Beaver Falls right now.
Beaver Falls, yeah. We're over by like the Elizabeth area, which is like.
Oh,
30 minutes
gotcha.
away. 30 minutes away. It's not bad. It's a good area. It's the only IKEA though. In, like,
Yeah.
the state.
Yeah.
That's true.
We're just talking because there's one in Philadelphia and there's like one in Washington D.C.
Really? Oh, really?
Yeah.
Wow, really? I did not know that.
That's where I was
interesting.
born.
Washington D.C.
Yeah.
That's cool.
Well, near it. Not
Yeah.
exactly in DC.
It's Silver Springs, Maryland.
Silver Springs,
so
Maryland.
Practically.
Silver Springs.
Yeah.